Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Skype for video conference. Step 1. Download and install Skype. After you download and install your Skype application, Step 2. Create a Skype account or sign in. After you create or sign in to your account, Step 3. Add contacts. To do that, tap the right icon at the bottom right corner and tap New Group Chat. Rename the group chat Add Contacts. Once you find the desired contact, Step 4. Start a video conference. To start your video conference, tap the camera at the upper right corner icon and then tap Start Now. And that's how to use Skype for video conference. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!